Tired of distractions or worried about what your kids are viewing online? Let's lock down those websites you want to avoid right inside Chrome. First, the simple method. Chrome doesn't have a built-in website blocker, but we can use extensions. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of your Chrome browser to open the Chrome menu. Hover over More Tools, and then select Extensions. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type BlockSite. It's a popular and effective website blocker, but feel free to explore other options. Find BlockSite in the search results. Then click the Add to Chrome button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Add Extension to confirm. Once installed, BlockSite will likely open a new tab. Look for the big plus icon, click it, and type the website address you want to block. For example, type in youtube.com or whatever site you want to avoid. For a more comprehensive approach, especially for families, consider exploring parental control software offered by your operating system or even your internet service provider. This will provide a more robust solution than just a browser extension. And that's it. You've now successfully blocked websites in Chrome. Take control of your browsing and enjoy a safer, more focused online experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.